Welcome back to Dash for Adventure. This is a really odd video because we've been gone for almost 2 months and this is just kind of a surreal feeling now. We just got home. Actually, I'm home. Paula is not here yet. She went to get her Bronco, or she got her Bronco. Now she's running around doing errands in it, but look at that. With the leaves gone, you can barely see the house in the distance. Wow, these gravelers. The gravel's kind of lumpy. My phone's going to get all kinds of alerts from the cameras throughout the property. But that's okay. They're just doing their job. And there's one of the alerts. We still have a mess up here to clean up. All the leftover woods and debris from house construction, but we're going to do that and probably start painting the house and caulking the house on the first warm week we have. Look at that. This is what it's going to be like coming home. I can't wait. Well, I'm going to go check it out. You can see where we're going to clear out the front yard a little better now. Over past this dry weather creek or wet weather creek, whatever you want to call it. Past that, we want to go back to about that tree right there and clear it from here to there and then diagonally up to the back of the house there, so that that is also part of our front yard. And we'll just put a little bridge, a little walking bridge, maybe two, across the creek there. We have to dispose of this wood soon too. That's going to be fun. You can't even see down there during the summer. The foliage is so thick. But there's another wet weather creek that comes down this side of the house and comes this way. And it goes all the way down through there. If you hike up in the backyard behind the house another, I don't know, about 1,000, 1,500 feet, you get to the top of that ridge. And up there is where I want to put a tree house. Oh, it's starting to rain, but look, you can see this nice little gem that was hidden in the woods when we bought the land. Looks like an Airstream. There's actually an outdoor kitchen on the other side of it. That is a future Derek problem. We will tackle that someday, maybe turn it into a little place to stay. This is a big part of our Dash for Adventure, part of our life journey. We are building this house and paying cash for it. It's not a mansion by no means, but at the end of the day, when this thing wraps up construction, it will be fully paid for, off-grid, and way out in the country. This house is going to allow us the freedom to go off into our retirement years and continue to afford to travel and see the world. And it's got a wraparound porch. So there's several other videos, or at least 2 right now, and more coming, that show the construction of this house and our process, and more as we work on it. We'll show the entire thing, how we go off grid. We are going to be grid tie, but we'll have a switch that we can flip it and go completely off grid at any time. So follow along on our journeys. Dash for Adventure is our travels. Then we have a no commentary Dashcam channel, playlist actually. And then we have the home construction in the country playlist. So be sure and check it out. Subscribe and follow along. We appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the comments if you've got any questions about any of our journeys. Either our dash cams on top of our vehicles, our home construction, or our travels. Thank you guys.